Hey guys, thanks for tuning in, and today we're giving away this Python Onyx series drone.
We're actually giving away two, guys. So both of these drones are provided by Tenergy. And one of them is a Wi-Fi version that does not have a hardware controller. You're just going to be able to control it through your phone. And that's what this one is. It's got a little bit more of a blue highlight to it. You can see it there, if I can get it focused in. I think it's tracking Sanaiya's face right now. And then the second one here, this is the grayish version. And she's going to hold it up there for you. And these are both, there's going to be one winner for each of these, so two winners total. And this is the grayish black version that does not come with, well, it does come with a controller, hardware controller, but it's not Wi-Fi, so you're not going to be able to control this one for your phone. So one of each type. And Sanaiya is going to go ahead and read off some of the specifications from the box on her version, and then I'm going to read off some of them on my version.
It has a 6-axis gyroscope, 3D 360 flips and rolls, headless flight mode, auto hover, and a 2-megapixel HD camera.
Cool, so the one that comes with the controller has a 2-megapixel HD camera. This one here, that is just going to be controlled through the phone with no controller. This one only has a 0.3 megapixel camera, so it has all the same functions. These ones are auto hover, so altitude hold, where you'll get it up to a certain point and it will hold its altitude. So these guys are pretty small. Let me just open up one of them here. You can leave that one in the box, honey. I'm just going to open up this one so you guys can kind of see what it kind of looks like, what you're getting and how small they are. So you can see how they're kind of mini toy drones. So perfect for kids or even adults that are kind of getting into drones. You may remember me doing a review on the, I think it was the KX80 Pantonma drone. So this one looks very similar to that, just a smaller version. You know how these ones, they always kind of copy each other in design, but so this is a brushed motor drone, very mini. It does have a battery that slides in the back. Some of the peripherals you're getting that are pretty much the same across both drones are going to be a set of prop guards and a screwdriver. So put these on if you're beginning and to save the propellers, and also to help you from hurting people or things in your house. And then it also comes with this little battery here, and there's a USB charger which actually plugs into the side of the battery, and then you just plug this into, of course, any kind of like phone charger or whatever, the USB portion. So they're both coming with all this stuff, and then you have a full extra set of propellers, and of course the manual is here as well. So anyway, guys, that's the two drones we're giving away in this giveaway, sponsored by Tenergy. Tenergy has actually sponsored a giveaway before with us. I think we gave away like 10 SEMA little mini drones. I think it was the X20 or X22 or something that they helped us give away. They sponsored, and they're really good. You know, they stand by their giveaways and they make sure that everybody does receive the giveaways they win. So Sanaiya's going to tell you a little bit about how to enter this giveaway.
First, you have to like this video, then subscribe, then leave a comment, then visit the link below.
Right, so those four things, like, subscribe. You have to be a subscriber. All my giveaways are always for my subscribers, so thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. And this is a way to kind of reward you guys. I mean, this channel wouldn't be possible without all the subscribers, and this is kind of our way just to really show appreciation for you guys and getting sponsors and stuff to sponsor this kind of stuff, to give back to you guys just for making this channel possible. Comment, of course, the comment is going to be how we pick the winners. I usually run the comments through a random comment generator, and that actually will pick two winners, and then I verify they're real people. I'm doing more verification so we don't get cheaters trying to impersonate other winners and stuff. So I want to make it fair for everybody, and I've been doing a little more research on how to make sure that it is a regular person and they're not trying to impersonate other people. And also, Tenergy is sponsoring this, so you need to also check out the link down in the description, click on it, and they may have a requirement on their website to do something just to enter the giveaway. So after you do all those four things, you will be guaranteed to enter, and you will have a chance to win one of these two. There's going to be, again, two winners, one of each. Also, just on a side note, I'm running another giveaway in conjunction. GearBest is also sponsoring another giveaway, not in this video, but in another giveaway that's running aside from this one at the same time. This is the Hubsan H501S. So check out that giveaway running right now on this channel, and so you can win this great little starter GPS drone.
Anyway, good luck. Hope you win, and I'll see you in the next giveaway. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.